Hola, ¿qué tal? And that's all. I'm so sorry to not speak more Spanish, especially because I love Argentina, I love Buenos Aires, I love the beautiful and sexy woman in Buenos Aires, I love, sadly, there is also beautiful, sexy guy in Argentina, I love tango, I love everything, but I don't speak Spanish. I shall tell you the story of you. It's not really you, a little of us. Because it's a beautiful story. It's a human story, it's a love story. One day, there is a guy, English guy, who arrived in my office, John Hitchcock, and asked me if I want to design some buildings. And I said, to do what? To make one building like that, the other like that, the other like that. I don't see what I can do in that. I said, oh, okay. And he left, I'm sorry. And come back 6 months later and said, do you want to make buildings? And I said, no, there is really no reason I make buildings. Okay, and he left. And 6 months later, he come back and said, you must seriously make a building. And I love people who insist. It's always something, it's a quality for me. And I said, perhaps, finally, perhaps I can make something, but that cannot be just one more building. That cannot be only about architecture. I must find a new idea. For me, ideas, it's never an idea just for the idea. It's always a concept. It's always a vision. And the only vision I have, it's about humanity, about us. That means I try always to help my friends, my family, my tribe, my cultural tribe, to have a better life. Different way, can be a motorcycle, a plane, a boat, a toothbrush, a building. And I said, how I can help? When you choose your home, which will be the biggest expense of your life with the food, you take a lot of risk. If I have the bad location, if I have a bad architecture, if I make a mistake of size, there is so many reasons to make a mistake and lose a lot of money. And if you cannot fix that, lose your life. So that perhaps I can make something. If I imagine a concept, and if I imagine a concept which is not about real estate, that means fast business, make money like that. If it's not about architecture, which is always speaking about steel, glass, stone, concrete, about what we really need. And it's this. That means my friend Hitchcock, with friends, finds the best location. After we find the best architect, sometimes I design myself, the building. After I design myself all the floor plan, because the floor plan must be very structurally modern, means human. And after, when you are interested by all that, we have a sort of test. We have a test which is, do you like this color, do you like this material, do you like this car, do you like this tree, do you like this? And very easily you said, I hate it, I love it. And finally we can find if you have part of one family or one other family. It's not very complicated. Here we shall speak about nature and classic. That means you will decide by yourself if you like classic, more dark wood, that smells the leather, that smells the high quality, that smell something very timeless, or nature, something more fresh, more light, white, pastel color, pale wood. It's your life, it's your choice. And definitively, when you have made this important choice, after you cannot make big mistake, because if you buy a bad chair, it's just a chair. If you buy a bad apartment, it's a big mistake. That's why you will have the perfect base, the perfect platform to create your home, to create your egg, to create your life. That is very, very important. I guarantee almost no risk about that. After, make what you want. You can put any type of furniture. You are completely free of your good taste or your bad taste. It's not my problem, because the only style, finally, which is respectable is freedom. Your freedom to choose your life. And this is the main idea, the main concept about this project, Close Buenos Aires, in this beautiful nature, surrounded by nature, in this place called Nordelta, and the project is called Nordelta by you. And in Nordelta, we shall make a sort of paradise. We shall make a sort of island, which will be the island of what we call the smart tribe. That means the people who are structurally modern, but who are not the type of guy who listen advertising, marketing all the day, who consume anything like that. That means people who create their own life, who create the future, but with intelligence, even more with the elegance of intelligence. That means that will be, I repeat, not one building more, that will be a new way of life, a new way of thinking. To do that, it's very simple and complicated, and it's so long, I am obliged to have a paper to read everything, because I shall forget. This project, the Nordelta, first is made by very smart and very good and very honest people. They are called the K Group, which is fun because my last daughter is called K. It's about 600 apartments, which is the right size to have everything we need. Too big, that become too big, no more human scale. Too small, we cannot have all the comfort we shall have, because we shall have a lot of things. We shall have a marina. I love boat. I hope you too. With marina, we shall have a private beach, which is very, very nice. We shall have a 18-hole golf course designed by the best of the best of the best, Jack Nicklaus, and which will be definitively the best golf course in South America. The home, your home, will have a direct access to the golf, comfortable. But after you will have finished your golf, you will have a spa with facial, massage, everything you like. Even you don't like it, your wife will love it. And with a 400 square meters infinity pool. That will be my place. Definitively, swimming is so tiring. You will need a bar to have nice cocktail, and I hope we shall make for you some organic cocktail with fresh fruit and good thing like that. And definitively, how can you live without a full concierge service for all the small details which make a better life? That's why with Nordelta, Close, perhaps one of the most fascinating city in the world, Close, the most passionate people of the world, in the middle of nature, you will have your home for your life.